Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm the one who runs this Bokashi World Facebook page and blog. This is me at home in Sweden. I live in the countryside. It's a gorgeous sunny day, still a bit cold, but we're getting there. I'm thinking of doing something like this each day now, answering a small question, keep it around a minute, and just take the Bokashi subjects just in small pieces. So what is it that you'd like to know about? Put a comment in the comment field and I'll take it up in this group in some way. I've been working with Bokashi for 13 years. I run Bokashi Business in Sweden, online web shop with deliveries. It's doing, Bokashi I should say, is doing really well. It's becoming quite mainstream in Sweden. And I also work in Myanmar for a big part of the year, running a project called Bokashi Myanmar, where we're working with community composting using Bokashi. And this here, Bokashi World, is completely non-commercial. This is an information sharing platform where I just want to get to know you guys and try to get this thing really moving around the world now, because I think the time for Bokashi has come. We need to grow our own food, we need to build our own soil, we need to really get this on the right track for the future. So hit me with your comments and questions, and let's not make this too ambitious. We'll just take it a little bit each day and work through some processes. Okay?